Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to favorite a space on ClickUp. Maybe you want to quickly access and prioritize pieces that you frequently interact with or you find most important. So today I'm going to show you how to favorite a space on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log in to your account. Once you're logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the streamline icon at top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side. And here, tap on Spaces. Now, choose the space that you want to favorite. For example, I want to favorite this space. So simply tap on this icon at the right side to open the space. Once you have opened the space, tap on this three dots icon at top right corner. A new window will appear, and here, you can see all the space details. Now, since you want to favorite this space, simply tap on this Add to Favorites option. After that, you now have successfully favored a space on ClickUp. Your selected space will now be part of this favorite section, making the space very easy for you to locate. There you go. If you wanted to know how to favorite a space on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to favorite a space on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.